Hey guys, it's Erin, and today I'm going to show you how to do these Reputation Taylor Swift inspired nails. I'm actually going to her concert tonight, so I had to do these nails before I went, and I'm going to show you all how I created them. So I'm starting off with a base coat on all of my nails. And then I'm going to be painting all of my nails white. This is Sally Hansen White on Time. Basically, this design was inspired by the album cover art and all that overlapping Taylor Swift text on the front. It just really reminded me of newspapers, so I'm going to be doing newspaper nails. Now I'm taking my newspaper, and actually all of the newspaper I used for this mani was from articles that were reviewing her album and her tour, because I'm crazy and decided that that would be really cool. So I've been kind of collecting those articles so I could use them in this design. So to do the newspaper nails, you want to take rubbing alcohol, and you want to dip your nail in the rubbing alcohol for 10 seconds. Then take your square of newspaper and press it down firmly onto your nail. And I probably held the newspaper there for about 10 seconds as well. The rubbing alcohol helps lift the ink from the newspaper and transfer it onto your nail. Just be aware that everything is going to be backwards. And after about 10 seconds, I'm peeling off that newspaper. So I'm just repeating this process on all of my nails, and I actually got really lucky because one of the pieces of newspaper I had a little mini Reputation album on it, so I used that on my thumb. So here you can see I'm just doing the exact same process, and I kind of got Taylor's face from the album cover onto my thumb. Then on my middle nail, I really wanted to kind of recreate the Gothic font that she uses for the Reputation logo. So I'm taking black acrylic paint and a small brush and just painting that on my middle nail. I actually don't have very many clips of this. I'm really sorry about that, but this was so hard to paint on camera. Finally, I'm applying a top coat to all my nails. And that's the finished design. I really hope you guys liked it, and maybe you'll recreate it if you're going to Taylor's tour as well. If you are going to the Reputation tour, let me know in the comments down below if you've been already or if you are going. I'm really excited to see her tonight. And if you want to see more pictures of my nails, then definitely check out my blog by clicking here or the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me what video you want to see next.